Hi and welcome to Narayana's virtual class sessions, and today our session is for grade 5 assignment 7. Today we are going to discuss about plant reproduction and agriculture Sadhana workbook page number 3 and 4. Okay, in this page we are going to learn about answer the following questions in one or two sentences. Few questions are furnished here. Those questions we are going to answer very shortly in one or two lines or two statements. Okay, we'll start the session. The first question: what is a seed coat? What is its most important function? If you take a seed, it is covered by a layer outside it, which we can peel it out. That is called as seed coat. What it will do? It will protect the seed and protect the baby plant present in it, and also supplies required air and water to the baby plant. So this is our answer. The outer covering of the seed is called seed coat. What I have said about it: seed coat will protect the seed and supplies required air and water. Seed coat protects the seed and supplies required air and water to the baby plant. This baby plant is present inside the seed. Now going on to the next question. Define the germination. What is germination? Germination is growing of a seed into seedling. When a seed turns into a baby plant, when a new baby plant is grown from the seed, it is called as seed germination. The growing of baby plant from a seed is called seed germination, or simply we can call it as germination. You might have observed sprouts. Sprouts are those when we take seeds, something like gram or maize, and soak them in the water for a period of overnight, and when we take them out, we see small baby plants, hair-like structures are found on it. That is nothing but the germination of those seeds. That is the baby plant. Those are the baby plants of those seeds. Okay, this process of growing into a new plant is called as seed germination, or simply we can call it as germination. We'll move on to the next question. Here comes the third question. List the conditions necessary for germination to take place. In what conditions, under what conditions a seed grow into a baby plant? What are essential? A seed requires air, water and warmth in right amounts, that is in proper amounts. Right amount to germinate. So when a seed receives right amounts or proper amounts of air, water and warmth, and it is not necessary that sunlight is needed. Warmth is required for the seed to grow into a seedling or a baby plant. Okay, sunlight is required to prepare the food for the plant for itself. For a seed to grow into a seedling or baby plant, warmth is necessary. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Define dispersal. What are the different ways in which seeds get dispersed? Dispersal means scattering of the seeds. They move from one place to another place. That is, from parent plant to different places, seeds get scattered. What do we call it as? We call it as seed dispersal. Scattering of seeds from parent plant is called seed dispersal. How they get scattered? There are some agents, we call them as dispersing agents. They carry these seeds from one place to another. Okay, what do we call them as? We call them as dispersal agents. Seeds get dispersed by water, air, animals and birds, and explosion of fruits. Explosion of fruits. Fruits get exploded and seeds get dispersed. Now coming to the last question, what are Kharif crops? In India, agricultural season is divided into two seasons. One is Kharif and other is Rabi. Kharif season is from May to October. So the agricultural period which is taking place from May to October is called as Kharif season, and the crops grown during that season is called are called as Kharif crops. So the crops grown from May to October are called Kharif crops. Some Kharif crops are millets, maize, paddy are some examples which are grown during this period. So in India, agricultural seasons are divided into two seasons. What are that? One is Kharif season and other is Rabi season. Kharif season is the season from May to October, and the crops grown during this season are called as Kharif crops. And most known crops which are grown during this Kharif are millets, maize and paddy. So this is about our session today. I hope you have understood more about these seasons, and we'll meet in the next session. Thank you.